Welcome, kids, to our exciting journey into the deep blue sea. Today, we're going to learn about some of the coolest creatures that call the ocean their home. Get ready to meet 5 amazing sea animals and discover some fun facts about each one. This is just the beginning, so make sure you stay tuned for more episodes. Let's dive in. Whale. Our first ocean friend is the magnificent whale. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. Did you know that the blue whale, the biggest of them all, can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons? That's like 33 elephants put together. Whales are also known for their beautiful songs, which they use to communicate with each other. These songs can travel for miles underwater. One of the most amazing things about whales is that they breathe air, just like us. So, they have to come up to the surface to take a big breath before diving back down. Isn't that incredible? Shark. Next up is the fearsome shark. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, which means they've been swimming in our oceans since the time of the dinosaurs. There are over 500 species of sharks, and they come in all shapes and sizes. The great white shark is one of the most well-known and can grow up to 20 feet long. Sharks have a super sense of smell and can detect a drop of blood in the water from up to a mile away. They also have rows and rows of shark teeth, which they constantly replace throughout their lives. Despite their scary reputation, most sharks are harmless to humans and play a crucial role in keeping our oceans healthy. Dolphin. Now let's meet the playful and intelligent dolphin. Dolphins are known for their friendly nature and high intelligence. They live in groups called pods and love to play games, often leaping out of the water and riding the waves. Dolphins use a special technique called echolocation to find their food. They send out clicks and listen for the echoes to bounce back, helping them locate fish even in the darkest waters. Did you know that dolphins have their own unique whistles, almost like names, to communicate with each other? They are also known to help injured members of their pod and even protect humans in danger. Dolphins are truly remarkable creatures. Sea turtle. Our fourth ocean resident is the gentle sea turtle. Sea turtles have been around for more than 100 million years. There are 7 species of sea turtles, and they can be found in all of the world's oceans except the Arctic. Sea turtles are known for their long migrations, with some traveling thousands of miles between their feeding and nesting grounds. Female sea turtles come ashore to lay their eggs in the sand, and after about 2 months, the baby turtles hatch and make their way to the ocean. Unfortunately, sea turtles face many threats, including plastic pollution and habitat destruction, but there are many efforts to protect these ancient mariners. Octopus. Our final sea animal for today is the clever octopus. Octopuses are known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. They have 8 long arms, or tentacles, covered in suckers that help them grab and manipulate objects. An octopus can change its color and texture to blend in with its surroundings, making it a master of camouflage. They can also squirt ink to confuse predators and make a quick escape. One of the coolest things about octopuses is their ability to squeeze through tiny spaces because they have no bones. They're like the escape artists of the sea. That was an amazing dive into the world of sea animals. We've met some incredible creatures today: the majestic whale, the fierce shark, the playful dolphin, the gentle sea turtle, and the clever octopus. But our underwater adventure is far from over. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll explore even more fascinating sea animals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time on our ocean adventure.